This is a bit of an ad hoc video because there is newness from Charlotte Tilbury, and it's the Pillow Talk collection. It's very exciting. There are 2 new lip formulations. It's called Pillow Talk Diamonds, and I'm going to show you everything you need to know. So if you like a bit of a shimmery lip, these are going to be right up your street. It's a lovely nude look, voluminous, sparkling, but kind of chic and subtle at the same time. So I'm wearing Lucky Diamonds right now, which is cool because I like the idea of having lucky diamonds on my lips. I'm going to show you some swatches of those on my hands, but I've also got some clips of them being applied, so I'm going to let you see that too. So Pillow Talk is a bit of a beauty industry phenomenon. It first launched as a lip liner, then there was a lip stick, then we had the Superstar lips, we've got the whole Pillow Talk collection with the eyeshadow and the blush. I love it all. Pillow Talk and me, we're like best friends basically, so I'm super excited to find out about these new ones. This is what the outer packaging looks like, really pretty pink. This is the Pillow Talk Diamond shade, and then this one is the Lucky Diamond shade, which I have on now. So the formulation, it's a hybrid like gloss and lipstick. They're really nice. I actually went to the Selfridges press day and I met my friend Rohit, who is in education at Selfridges, and he's lovely, and he was like, what's on your lips? And I couldn't say at the time, but he was like, it's just the right amount of glitter. Nobody wants metallic lip. It was like he stopped just before that. They're voluminous, it's flattering, and I was like, oh, this is good feedback, which I've actually written in my blog post, so it's more of Rohit's review than mine, to be honest, but there you go. Sometimes you need somebody else's opinion. So it's all about like a starlit, glossy lip look, really kind of voluptuous and voluminous and gorgeous. Brings together the mirror shine of a gloss and the comfort of a lipstick, and I definitely vouch for that. It's super comfortable, even though it looks like there's glitter in there. So both have been formulated to have a diamond-like finish, and they definitely do look jewelly and sparkly, which is gorgeous. There are film formers in there, so that creates a barrier to lock in moisture, and also like enhances the look of the colour on the lips while you wear it. There's sunflower seed oil for like a nourishing wet look finish. There's emollient esters in there which give it like the smoothness and the cushiony glide. There's also microcrystalline wax. So the microcrystalline wax is for a cushiony feel. Hops extract to soften and comfort the lips. So the glitter in it, and this is the good part, is mineral based, so it's environmentally friendly, unlike a lot of plastic glitters. So I really like the way that, you know, with the Hot Lips 2 collection, which if you haven't seen that video I shall link below, they're going for a more sustainable approach because they've got refillable lipsticks. So it's all really, you know, it's unusual to see with a luxury beauty brand that kind of go towards this kind of eco sustainability factor. I've got a blog post of these lipsticks which has got photo swatches if you want to see photos rather than videos, so I'm going to link that below for you. And the good news is these are out immediately. I've got an early access link which I'm going to pop below for you for all of the regions, so UK, US, EU, Australia and Canada. So I'm going to pop all of that information in the description box below. But yeah, I'm really loving them. It's really exciting. And I think, you know, it's right, it's kind of that right amount of glitter. It's really wearable even if you're a bit older. It doesn't have like a teenage vibe. It's a grown-up glitter, which is really nice to see. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'm @ReallyReally on Twitter and Instagram, and I'll see you next time. Bye!